Hi guys, it's Rebecca. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. Today's video is going to be an introduction to a new project pan. This is in collab with some girls. We kind of collabed on Instagram. I kind of joined a little bit late in the thread. So I can't remember off the top of my head who is the creator of this, but the name of this project pan, if you didn't see by the title already, it's called Partners in Cream. So this is a year-long project pan where we pick 4 to 6 items that are not powder. That's the only, I guess, requisite for this project. They have to be creams, liquids, super shock shadows, anything that's not powder qualifies to be in this project. And so the goal of this is to, well, my goal for my 4 items is to use them up, and then we are to rotate an item out whenever we have finished or met our goal for certain items. So like I said, I kind of joined in late on the conversation thread. So all the information as to who the creator is will be down below. So go ahead, and I don't think there's a hashtag, maybe just hashtag partners in cream. I'm not sure. Like I said, everything is going to be, no mommy, everything's going to be in the description box. And so let's just get started. So 2 items that I have here in this project, you guys already know because they are items from previous project pans that I did not finish. So the first one is this Milk Makeup Highlighter Stick in the color Lit. And this was in, I don't even remember which project pan, but that is how much I am starting with. Maybe I will mark it on the cap or something. So kind of right there. That's how much product I have. I used up one of these in 2019 and I'm hoping to finish this one. I really enjoy this highlighter, so this is not an item that I'm just trying to get rid of because I hate it. I actually do enjoy mixing this with my primer, so this shouldn't be easy to use up because I already use it every single day. And then the next item that I have to show you guys comes from this palette, from the Balm Jovi palette. This was in my 9 by New Year's and I didn't finish it, but I want to finish this shade right here in the color Vanilla. This is a cheek or lip product. I am wearing it on both today. So that is the blush that I'm wearing and the color on my lips. This is a very pretty color. As you guys can see, I already have a little bit of pan, and I used the e.l.f. small stipple brush to apply it as a blush. So it's kind of like worn out already, like on the sides. So it's not like it's just a deep pan in there. It's worn out quite a bit. So hopefully maybe this will be the first thing that I finish. If not this, who knows, but I know that I enjoy this product, so it's just something that I'm still using, so continuing to use it throughout the year is gonna be no problem, I don't think. But that is product number 2. Product number 3 comes from this e.l.f. foundation palette. I feel like I have a hair, sorry. This e.l.f. foundation palette, last year I was able to finish all these foundation colors. So there was 2 that matched me pretty well, and there was another one that I had to mix with another color to match me better, but point is I was able to finish all 3 of them. And so I am looking forward to working on this shade right here. I'm going to be using it as a contouring shade, a cream contour. There's no name for the color, so it's just a dark color. So hopefully I can make it work. As you guys can see, I have kind of tested it out to see how it would look on my face as a cream bronzer, and it did work. So I don't know how long it'll take me to use. I have been using a what do you call it, a powder bronzer. So I haven't tried layering it. I've only tried to use it like on its own and setting it with a translucent setting powder. So we'll see how it works if I put a powder bronzer on top of it. But hopefully I can use this up and get this whole palette out of my collection by the end of this year. So that is number 3. And the last item that I have here is a foundation stick. This is from Anastasia in the color Beige. I've had this for a couple of years already, and I haven't really used it. I did use it today, and it matches me pretty well. And that's all that I have for now. So should I don't know how I'm gonna mark it because the cap is black and I don't want to put it against a piece of paper, so maybe just a comparison picture in picture. But that is how much I have. I enjoyed it. This is starting to look a little bit bumpy, so I hope that doesn't mean that that it's going bad. So if you guys have this and it's getting bumpy, let me know if that's happened to you too. But I mean, it worked fine today that I put it on, so we'll see. I do have a foundation. Have you guys seen that video? I don't know. Oh well, if you haven't, if I haven't posted it yet. But I do have a foundation that I want to use up in 2020. So I'm gonna be, you guys know that I don't like to steal attention from one product to another, but I will have two foundations going on at the same time. So the progress on this is not gonna be as fast as it would be if it was the only foundation that I was using. But I think we'll be okay. Hopefully. So anyway, guys, those are the 4 products that I'm going to be starting with. The names of everybody working on this project pan will be linked down below. I hope you guys join us if you guys want to do this. I guess just use the hashtag partners in cream if you want. I don't think they mind if other people join. I really don't think so. Just make sure that you give credit to the person down here who created this project. But thank you so much for watching this. I hope you guys enjoy this project. It's going to be a year-long project pan. I don't remember if I said that. And the point is to get as much use of our cream products since they don't last longer as our powder products. So there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.